Hi, welcome to Software Basics. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to prevent the entry of duplicate values within Excel 2016. Now again, this is up to you. It's your choice if you want to convert it to a table, but I really do recommend you do that. Once you have that, you need to basically select the section you would like to check. So I would hit this drop down with the arrow and select email. Then I'll head over to the data tab, and then we'll go over to data validation, hit the drop down and select data validation again. So what we do is start off with settings, and then we go to allow and select custom within the drop down, and then within the formula we need to just say equals count if open parentheses, and then you need to say $sign and assign the column you're basically checking. So in our case we're checking all of column E. Then you simply say comma, and then you want to say where you want to start from within the column that's being checked. Obviously in our case we start from E2, and then you close parentheses and say equals 1, and then you can simply move over to the next tab. So this is input message, and you can say NB for the title, enter a unique email, and then the error alert is probably the most important message section. In this case we want to say stop. You can give warning or information instead. If you choose any of these, the user would still be allowed to enter a duplicate value. However, when you say stop, it basically stops them from entering it unless they enter a unique value. So we've selected stop, and then the title I've given a duplicate email, and error message is the same, enter a unique email. So obviously once you're done, you just simply hit OK. Now we have all of that set up, so you can see we can do the same thing again and change this to Mike, and we'll get the same message. And if we hit cancel or X, it reverts it back to its original. Now the only problem is the user can only ever basically enter this in, so basically you need to type it in. If I was to copy this and paste it, you can see I didn't get a warning message. Now what we can always do is simply go over to data validation and circle invalid data, so we can always just check to see if, you know, by any chance a user copied and pasted instead. So once we have that highlighted, we can go back and fix this, and then we'll check it again. You can see it doesn't come up. That is the only downside to this. You obviously can just simply copy and paste, because a lot of people tend to do that, but in a case where you would like to check that, that is why it's important to give this message and tell the user to maybe enter it rather than copy and paste. So you would give that information within there. Anyway, that's pretty much everything for this video. If it helped you out, make sure to leave a like, and of course leave a comment if you have any questions down below. Of course, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.